What's up, guys? It's your boy Mark. In this video, I will be doing a $25 1-up review. I will be going over a few things, guys. I'm gonna make it, simple so you can understand what we actually do and how you can make money with this system. So $25 1-up is a marketing system / digital product that shows you how to make 100% instant commissions. Okay, so it's a system. Okay, it's a system itself. Like, it's a whole system that you use to promote the digital product that's inside of the system that allows you to make commission, okay, each time that you share it with somebody else. It teaches you how to market any online business successfully, and it allows you to brand different companies. There's some few opportunities in there that other companies could use our copy and paste ads. We have different funnels that is connected to different online businesses, so it's multiple income streams all in one system. That's why I just love this business, man. It also allows you to get 100% instant daily commissions. And when I say 100%, I mean 100%, guys. Not 25, not 50, not 75. So once you refer somebody to the system, guys, you get that commission. And I'm about to go over the different levels that you could come in at and the commissions that you get at each level. All right, so the first level is the gold level, which is $25 to get started, plus a $10 admin fee, which allows you to have access to the system. But the gold level itself comes with different trainings inside of the system, okay? Different trainings that allow you to make money online, and you could resell this package and get $25 for each sale that you for each person that you refer. Now, the $25 level, this is if you just want to come in and make some part-time money, or, if you're kind of a newbie. This is where you can make a small investment and make a lot of money out of this small investment. But it's going to take a lot of sales to hit a bigger goal. Platinum level is $100 to get started, plus a $10 admin fee. And you can also just get started with $135, so you're eligible to get the gold level as well. They come as a package. You can just pay $135, get knock those out the way. The platinum level is giving you more things of like YouTube training, Instagram training, Facebook training. You're getting bigger commissions, so it's going to take you less sales to hit a higher goal. If you trying to reach your goal is going to be more easier once you come in at the platinum level and higher. I highly recommend the diamond level, okay? The diamond level is $250 to get started, okay, plus a $25 software fee, because you're getting multiple things added to your back office once you come in at the diamond level. You will also get platinum and gold for free, so you're eligible to earn $250 commissions, $100 commissions, and $25 commissions each time that you refer somebody to those packages. Diamond level is just a solid level to come in at, okay? $250 per sale. Just imagine you earning 4, okay? Imagine you earning 4 of those sales a day. And then you also have the enterprise level, which is $500 to get started, plus a $50 software fee. So that's $550 to get started with the enterprise level. You can earn $500, $250, $125 commissions. You get the diamond level, platinum level, and gold level for free. You get everything that comes with the diamond level, the platinum level, and the gold level, plus everything that comes with the enterprise level. So you're just setting yourself all the way up for success and a bigger commission. Guys, you're getting $500 per sale. It's possible. People are really buying courses way more higher than what we're offering in our back office. You have the elite level, guys. If you just want to go all in and you just want to make $1,000 per sale, then the elite level is the right choice to go. It's a one-time fee of all of these are one-time fees, so it's a one-time fee of $1,000 plus a one-time $100 software fee. And you get all of the levels from enterprise, diamond, platinum, and gold for free. Everything that comes with it, plus everything that comes with the elite level. And this is where you're just going to maximize your earnings. You're just maximizing your earnings. and you earn 100% commissions at each level. Okay, so that's really what $25 1UP is. In each level, there are digital products. There's digital training that you're selling in each level. Okay, so when you are promoting these levels, they all come with marketing training, marketing tools to help you sell the level. Okay, just like the $25 level, it comes with copy and paste ads, because if they know if somebody's coming in at $25 level, they're probably a newbie. You know, they don't know much about making money online. So that's why in the gold level, you get like the starter training, like what to post. You get pre-written ads. You get, copy and paste emails. You also get like how to respond to the lead or the customer that create an account or ask for more information. A lot of people don't know what to say. So $25 1UP has done that for the people who don't know how to make money online. It teaches you from each level. For whatever level you join at, you're still going to learn how to make money. All right. The diamond level teaches you how to like run a t-shirt company business online. It's different stuff that's inside of each level. It's just going to allow you to just elevate. So next, all you have to do, guys, is get started. The link will be below. You can check out the information. Go ahead and get started with the level that is most fit for you. I highly recommend coming in at the diamond level. Once you come in at the diamond level, guys, you get one-on-one with me. I can help you set everything up, and my goal is to help you get your first sale. Okay, the $25 level, I would just send you some additional training, but I'm not hands-on with the gold level like I used to be, because those people didn't take it serious. But the people that I noticed that people that really invested into the business, they take it serious, and they are ready to see results. And those are the type of people I rather, work with. But it's nothing wrong with coming in at the gold level. If you just, it's all you have, I still help you. But I'm just not going to be hands-on, video calling and everything for that type of level. But the platinum level and up, guys, you will get, like I said, multiple bonuses. Everything, guys, you get multiple bonuses from me, and we can go from there. So if you like this content, don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to click that notification bell. Other than that, I'm